What is up, you guys? I'm going to do a little Acura Integra 1998 GS update. And I got my car out of the shop. Now, finding a mechanic these days has become pretty much damn near impossible. And I had some money saved up, and I tried for like 6-7 months to find somebody, and I couldn't. So I bit the bullet. I'm going to try to build a relationship with the Honda Toyota shop right down the street from my house. So we did some work. Now what we did was timing belt, water pump, tensioner. I did the thermostat. I changed out my cam seal plug. I did plugs, wires, distributor O-ring. So I basically gave it a full tune-up. Now, one thing that I would have done had I had a buddy mechanic that I usually used to have, I would have liked to have repainted my valve cover, but it is what it is. Now, the guy who did the work was actually having such a good time working on my car that he adjusted my valves for me, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, so there's no leaks, everything looks good. Like I say, everything that I could replace, I pretty much went down the gamut. So let me start it up, let you guys hear it real quick. Now it's funny, this car, seemingly every time I fix one thing, another thing goes wrong. And right now, I'll go ahead and show you guys. Well, let's fire it up. So I can't zoom here, so let me get a close up. It might not show. Well, we've got 106,000 miles on here. Fire this bad boy up. Cut the lights on it, huh? Purrs like a kitten. I've got the brake on and the door open, otherwise there's no lights on at all. And I gotta tell you, man, I'm almost kind of glad that I took it to this shop because all the work is warranted, but this thing is running quiet. Like, listen to this. I'd love to get like a real tune-up. I feel like this car still has a little more potential. I feel like it's not breathing well for some reason. But yeah, so I went ahead and bit the bullet. Now the funny thing, let me tell you guys this. The funny thing about this car is I spent the money on all this shit. Now when I get home, I smell coolant. Didn't see anything. Put something underneath my car to see if I had any leakage since I just brought it home from the shop. Come out and I see a little bit of coolant. It's like, all right, it maybe it's some runoff. I go out, I drive it on the interstate, and I start to see some smoke coming out about right here. And realize then my radiator is fucking seams are leaking coolant all to fuck. So I took it back to the shop. Like, it's coincidence. As soon as I take it to the shop, it was fine. I looked over my entire car before I took it in. Just by chance, on the way home from the shop, my radiator goes out. So I had to buy a whole new fucking radiator. So new radiator, timing belt, water pump, thermostat, plug wires, distributor, cam seal plug, valves adjusted. Yeah. So, and what else? My landlord cut a huge tree down that was shading my car. And now a year later, without the benefit of that shade, and as if you guys watch my other videos, I have a cover that I use, but it's ripped, it's faded and kind of ripped now. This is coming apart, I can't show it. So this, my black rubber parts are taking a beating. And what's really sucking ass is, if you guys can see here, it's fading my paint. It's chipping it away already here. Some bullshit. So I'm gonna have to start waxing it. I've got bubble, yeah, this stuff's bubbling and peeling. So I'm gonna have to start waxing that, or maybe I'll just remove the entire fin. Honestly, I kind of like the soap dish look. But let me see. One other thing with this car, like I say, I fixed one thing. Now, when I bought the car, this thing was kind of finicky. Sometimes it wouldn't want to work, and right now you can see not working. So I just ordered another one finally because I'm just gonna fix it, man. This car really has almost everything working properly. So I'm gonna make a video on that, although there's been a million of them. But I'm gonna take that door off, replace that. So yeah, I'm at 106,000 miles. This car's a beast. I'm gonna clean it up. I may make another video and show you guys once I get it all cleaned up. I've been riding my Yamaha C3 scooter everywhere, but I'm gonna show this car some love. So thanks for watching. Hey, if you guys like this video, I'm gonna have some more Integra stuff. I've got another Integra I'm gonna try to work on. Comment on the video, like and subscribe. Hope everybody's doing awesome. Peace out.